Jungle Atmosphere House Design, a harmonious living experience with nature. Introduction, a home that embraces nature. Welcome back to Decor today, where we explore the world of innovative architecture and inspiring interior design ideas. In today's video, we're taking you on a journey to discover a jungle atmosphere house design, a remarkable home that fosters a constant relationship with nature. Located in the heart of a lush jungle, this house uses both its natural surroundings and its design to create a truly immersive living experience. If you're passionate about sustainable, nature-inspired design that merges modern architecture with the environment, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Let's dive into this incredible home that truly connects its residents with the world around them. Designing a home that blends seamlessly with the jungle. The primary concept behind this jungle atmosphere house is the idea of merging human living spaces with the wilderness. The home is strategically placed in the heart of a dense, verdant jungle, with minimal disturbance to the environment. It is not just a house, but a lifestyle, allowing its residents to experience nature in its most raw and untouched form. The design takes inspiration from the surrounding flora and fauna, using locally sourced, natural materials such as wood, stone, and bamboo. This not only ensures the house blends into its surroundings, architectural features, open spaces, and natural materials. At the core of the design is the focus on open, airy spaces that facilitate connection with the outdoors. The house features wide, floor-to-ceiling windows, giving every room access to breathtaking jungle views. Large sliding glass doors connect the living areas to expansive outdoor terraces, creating a sense of flow and continuity between the interior and the natural world. Exposed wooden beams, stone flooring, and other natural materials are employed throughout the home, ensuring that the materials themselves serve maximizing natural light and ventilation. One of the most important aspects of this jungle house design is its ability to maximize natural light and ventilation. The architecture makes use of large windows, skylights, and open ceilings to allow natural light to flood every room. Not only does this reduce the need for artificial lighting, but it also creates a bright, warm atmosphere that encourages relaxation and mental clarity. The ventilation design focuses on the free flow of air throughout the space, helping maintain a comfortable internal temperature without relying on air conditioning. Cross-ventilation and outdoor living, seamless transitions between spaces. A key feature of this jungle house is the seamless transition between indoor and outdoor spaces. The home is designed with an open concept layout, where rooms spill into outdoor spaces like verandas, gardens, and patios. The idea is to bring the outside in and vice versa, with no clear separation between the two. This connection fosters a deep appreciation for the surrounding nature, allowing residents to enjoy the sounds of wildlife, the rustling of leaves, and the smell of fresh earth while relaxing in their living rooms. Sustainability, a home in harmony with its environment. Sustainability is at the heart of this jungle atmosphere house. The design incorporates eco-friendly technologies and practices that reduce the home's impact on the environment. The use of rainwater harvesting systems, solar panels, and green roofing are just a few of the elements that ensure the home is energy efficient and self-sustaining. The house is designed to make use of natural materials that are locally sourced, ensuring minimal energy consumption and carbon footprint. The integration of plants into the design, both inside and outside the home, also Immersive jungle views, creating a constant connection to nature. Every aspect of this house is designed to offer immersive views of the surrounding jungle. Whether through the large panoramic windows, or the lush terraces and balconies, the house is carefully oriented to face the most breathtaking views. Residents can sit in their living rooms or bedrooms and feel as though they are part of the jungle itself. Jungle views provide a sense of peace, tranquility, and connection to the natural world that is rarely found in urban environments. The house, with its expansive open spaces, acts as a vessel for the natural beauty of the surrounding environment. Private spaces with natural touches. While the house is designed to encourage communal living and interaction with nature, it also provides private retreats for the residents. Bedrooms, bathrooms, and study areas are designed with tranquility and privacy in mind, while still allowing natural elements like trees, vines, and the sky to remain present. The use of natural wood furniture, stone tiles, and other organic textures ensures that every space feels connected to the environment. Even in the most private areas of the home, residents can enjoy the integrating the house into the jungle's ecosystem. The house's design also takes into account the surrounding ecosystem. It doesn't just sit atop the land, it becomes part of it. Pathways are designed to blend in with the landscape, and the structure itself is elevated to minimize disruption to the natural terrain. The home's design encourages the growth of local plants and supports the wildlife in the area, making the residents feel like they are living in harmony with the jungle. The goal is to integrate the house into the ecosystem without overpowering or disturbing it, creating a space where both humans Conclusion: living in constant harmony with nature. In conclusion, this jungle atmosphere house design demonstrates how modern architecture can create an immersive living experience in complete harmony with nature. Through the thoughtful use of natural materials, open spaces, and sustainable technologies, this home allows its residents to live in a constant relationship with the natural world around them. It goes beyond being just a place to live. It is a sanctuary that fosters a deep, ongoing connection to the environment. If you love homes that merge sustainability with stunning design, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more architectural inspiration.